Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of installing CrossOver on a Mac. Robin, you're monitoring the chat as usual, right? Okay, I'll have to look up what a liege is. That's weird. But we're proudly weird here. All right, let's get it started. So the first step is to open up our web browser. This will work in your favorite web browser, BTW. It doesn't need to be the one I'm using here in this example. So simply visit the CodeWeavers homepage and click on the CrossOver link in the main menu, and then choose the Mac option. And then we'll fill in your name and email. And when you double-click the CrossOver icon, macOS will ask you to unzip the file. And after you unzip the file, double-click to run. Next, CrossOver will ask you to add it to your applications folder. Now go ahead and click on that. This is a similar process to installing other software on your computer. And finally, the thing that sometimes trips people up, CrossOver will briefly close and then relaunch automatically in a few seconds. You don't need to do anything. All right, you're all set. CrossOver is now installed on your Mac. You can access it in the future from the applications folder, or you can keep the CrossOver icon on your dock. All right, how do you think that went, Robin? Good. I'll take that as good. Sure. All right.